สวัสดีครับ Today we're making Pad Kra Pao or Thai spicy basil stir fry. This dish is super popular in Thailand and it's easy to see why. It's quick, spicy, savory, and smells incredible. Let's get started. Here's what you need: 1 tablespoon oil, 3 cloves of garlic, 2 Thai chilies, half pound ground chicken or pork, 1.5 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon seasoning soy sauce, 1 tablespoon fish sauce, half teaspoon black soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sugar, quarter teaspoon chicken bouillon powder, 1 handful Thai holy basil, 1 fried egg as optional. Lastly, don't forget to serve Pad Kra Pao over jasmine rice. First, let's prep the aromatics. Start by adding garlic and chilies together in a food chopper. You can also mince the garlic and chilies with a knife instead if you don't have a food chopper. Then set it aside in a small container. Now in a mixing bowl, we need to prepare the stir-fry sauce. Add 1 tablespoon seasoning soy sauce, 1 tablespoon fish soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon sugar, quarter teaspoon chicken bouillon powder, and lastly, half teaspoon black soy sauce. Stir everything together until the sugar is almost dissolved. Next, heat about a tablespoon of oil in a wok or a pan over medium-high heat. Once it's hot, add the garlic and chili mixture and stir fry for about 30 seconds, just until it's super fragrant. Then add your ground chicken and break it up as it's cooked. Make sure to keep stirring. Cook for about 4 to 5 minutes until the chicken is nearly cooked through. Once the chicken is mostly cooked, pour in the stir-fry sauce. Make sure to spread out the sauce evenly. Give everything a good stir so the sauce evenly coats the ground chicken. Let it cook for about a minute so the sauce slightly caramelizes. Now lower the heat and add a handful of Thai holy basil. Then cook just enough for the Thai holy basil to wilt. And you can't have Pad Kra Pao without a fried egg on top. To make a fried egg, just heat about half a cup of oil over medium-high heat until simmering. Pro tip: to crack the egg in a small container in advance so there is no eggshell in there and the egg yolk won't crack. Once the oil is hot enough, lower the heat and pour the egg right in the middle. Make sure to be gentle to not to crack the egg yolk. Once the egg becomes golden, you can take it off from the pan. And that's it! Thai Pad Kra Pao or Thai spicy holy basil stir fry in under just 15 minutes. Spicy, savory, and incredibly satisfying. Serve it with hot jasmine rice on the side and top it off with fried egg. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Thai recipes. Comment below and tell me which recipe you would like to see next. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next one. Enjoy!